Hello, in this video, we will showcase waterproof performance of our external tire pressure sensor.
This is an external sensor that we had previously paired with the display.
We use relevant tools to simulate the actual condition of a vehicle tire. As you can see, if the sensor is not screwed into tire valve, it will trigger the alarming receiver, which can also be seen through screen flashes.
After the sensor has been screwed, the alarm on the display disappears, and the actual tire pressure value is displayed normally.
We slowly put the sensor into the water to simulate normal vehicle tires go through the waterlogged area. Look, after the sensor touching water, the display screen of the receiver can still normally show the pressure and temperature values of the sensor.
That is why the waterproof performance of our sensors can reach the IP67 rating standard. The excellent airtightness ensures our tire sensors can effectively prevent impurities, dust and water from eroding its inner electronic parts. After removing the sensor, our receiver display started triggering alarm again. Thank you all for view and follow. See you next time.